Hello and welcome to today's video on navigating the data science roadmap for 2023. In this video, we'll explore the essential components and stages of the data science journey, allowing you to better understand the current state of the industry and the skills required to excel in this competitive field. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the importance of a strong foundation in mathematics and programming skills. For mathematics, focus on mastering linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics, and discrete mathematics. For programming, familiarize yourself with languages like Python, R, and SQL, which are commonly used in data science. Next, let's dive into core data science skills, including data analysis and visualization, machine learning, and big data technologies. Learn to work with popular tools and libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and ggplot2 for data analysis and visualization. For machine learning, focus on supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and deep learning. Finally, familiarize yourself with big data technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, Hive, and Kafka. Now, let's talk about the importance of domain expertise. Acquiring industry-specific knowledge is crucial for applying data science skills in fields like healthcare, finance, retail, energy, and manufacturing. In addition, soft skills like effective communication, collaboration, and problem-solving are essential for working in interdisciplinary teams. As the field of data science matures, advanced specialization becomes increasingly important. Potential areas of specialization include natural language processing, computer vision, recombiner systems, and time series analysis. Staying up to date with industry trends is vital for success in data science. Follow industry news, attend conferences, participate in online forums, and engage in continuous learning through online courses and certifications. Finally, networking is crucial for connecting with potential employers and staying informed about job opportunities. Join professional associations, attend industry events, leverage social media platforms, and participate in data science meetups and hackathons. Let's address some common questions about the data science field. How long does it take to become a data scientist? Generally, it takes 2 to 3 years of focused learning and practice to acquire the necessary skills. What is the difference between data science and machine learning? Data science is an interdisciplinary field, while machine learning is a subset of data science that focuses on developing algorithms that learn from data. Can I enter the field of data science without a formal degree? Yes, many professionals have successfully transitioned into data science through online courses, boot camps, and self-study. However, a related degree can provide a competitive edge. In conclusion, following the data science roadmap for 2023 can help you systematically acquire the necessary skills, knowledge, and expertise to excel in the field. Remember, continuous learning, networking, and staying current with industry trends are vital for long-term success. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your data science journey. Thank you once again for joining us in this informative session on the data science roadmap for 2023. We hope that this video has provided valuable insights and guidance to help you navigate the dynamic field of data science. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on data science and related topics. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. We wish you the best in your data science journey, and we'll see you in the next video.